How to create a web page.
Many companies want their own website, and to do so, the following 10 steps must be followed to create it.
Step 1. The domain must be chosen and purchased, for example, www.mypage.com. Also, the domain needs to be checked if it is available.
Step 2. The hosting needs to be hired to put the site into operation. Step 3. WordPress must be installed because it is a CMS, content management system, and with WordPress you can publish content. Step 4. The information to be published should be searched and organized in different sections of the page. Step 5. The template used needs to be chosen between several designs to be able to occupy it. Step 6. The menu to display in the index should be designed to navigate within the web page. Step 7. The static page must be developed in the menu to insert them on our website. Step 8. The SEO package needs to be installed so that users can see it on the internet. Step 9. The robots.txt file must be created so that Google takes use into account as a web page. Step 10. The web page should be published in the hosting to be able to see it on the internet. Finally, if above steps have already been completed, users can use the web page.